So rain, the most hardest rain ever. Last quarter moonset, unstable for a hiking. It's 20 feet low, high, and it's light rain. Early is this. Today, and we have this. So, one direction is southwest. Wind speed is 4 bpm, and 6:17 p.m. sunset feels like 20. Another day forecast feels like the wind is 5 feet. The pressure is humidity. Lifestyle. It's unstable for running. Running in this weather may be harmful to your health. Tell it to your family or just show this video to your family. And Monday, an hourly weather, daily weather. You can read that. It is unstable for fishing, unstable for hiking. You need to wear long sleeves, moderate change of getting a cold, moderate chance of joint pain, unstable stargazing, unstable for stargazing or high chance of flight delays. Allergy cause allergy. And also, here's what in Dubai it is sunny. That's it. But it is raining here, and we're getting lower. We might get low, but the wind is none. Today is highly faster, so we know everything now. Why? And there's also a typhoon today. It's a typhoon. There you go. You can watch these. If you live in Philippines, that will happen to you. That will happen to you. 1 p.m. now. And these are all. That will happen for you. So maybe your school might be not allowed because in here called lipa in the Philippines, your school might be not allowed for you because there's thunder and there's a typhoon, in English a storm. Also, last time there was also an earthquake that lasted only for 2 seconds. Well, thank you for watching our news for the rain of Lipa City in Philippines. Thank you.